Looks like it needs a gear and a sprocket. Guarantee you once I open that up, there will be white powder all over the place. It will be nylon shavings from the gears. We're about to take a look for the gear and sprocket to see if they're shredded, but take a look at this delicious wiring job. It's like so loose. Okay, so I've taken out the bolts. Let's take a look. Ooh, yeah. See this thing? Take a look. All that powder looking stuff on the inside, that is your gear stripped apart. Oh look, there's a big old pile of it right back there. Yeah. But that's what the problem is.